After prolonged use, it's important to regularly replace the oil to keep your machine running smoothly and hassle-free. Let's walk through the steps to replace the oil. Start by placing the machine in the rest position. Next, place an empty oil can under the oil tank hole. Now, loosen the oil tank screw to open the tank hole, allowing the used oil to drain. Wait until the tank is completely empty. Now, tighten the screw to close the oil tank hole. Next, gently and thoroughly clean the inside of the machine using a clean, dry fiber cloth. Now, take a new Singer sewing machine lubricant oil can and carefully pour it into the oil tank. Make sure to fill the oil tank between the high and low level marks. And wow! You've successfully replaced the machine oil. Now, enjoy a smooth and seamless sewing experience.